Welcome to what I've get about, where today we'll be making the perfect pizza pot pie. This recipe was inspired by Chicago Pizza and the Oven Grinder Company. For this recipe, you will need 140 grams pizza dough, mozzarella slices, cheddar and mozzarella grated mix, pepperoni, close cooked white mushrooms, and a ramekin. I melted down some garlic butter, added some herbs. Now, with a pastry brush or any brush that will fit in the dish, you'll just want to give it a bit of a grease. I've also put some round the edge and top. Let's grab some mozzarella slices and just put that in and push it round. Now you want to get 3, so I'll put that back. Push in, and then another one. Now you'll also want to grab some de-stalked and half mushrooms, just 3, and lay them out like I have. Now you'll also want to get 3 slices of pepperoni. Now that's not 3, but anyway, lay them like I have. You also want to get a mix of mozzarella and cheddar, and just give that a good old sprinkle. If you want a vegetarian, just remove the meat. Now, in the previous video we made some of this sauce. You'll just want 1 tablespoon and just spread that out. Now, I've been spreading this out. It's all nice and even.
So, just using a standard pizza dough recipe here, we need to roll out as much of the air as possible, and this is so that it doesn't balloon whilst it's in the oven. It needs to be greater than the circumference of the pot so that we have enough room for crimping. So lay it over the top, as you can see there, and then start to crimp around the edges like you would do a normal pie. Once you've done that, and you pushed it in firmly, make sure all the air is out as much as possible, so really be forceful with it. Once it's done, ready for the box.
I'm going to put this in my box. You have to push it in as far as it will go.
After placing it in the Roccbox, turn the flame off and cover the entrance to keep the warmth in. The temperature should be about 250 to 300 degrees. Leave it in for around 10 to 15 minutes and turn if necessary. Wait until the top is golden brown.
Now, we'll cook this pizza pot pie. Try and get a bit off. I know it's pizza, but get a bit off with some a big stretch. It's really good. You can taste up pepperoni and sauce. It's lovely, and the mozzarella cheddar mix just tastes lovely. Now for this rating, I would give a 10 out of 10. If you want some more, subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye.